Agnes is an alligator.
She's got to be the chomper. Excuse me, ma'am.
What? Who are you? This is my space. I know my rights.
Ma'am, have you been chomping on anything lately?
Maybe, maybe not.
Did you chomp this?
That? Nope. Never seen it before. Why asking me?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but we think...
You better ask that old crocodile lives over yonder. You hear me? Talk to the croc. Now get off my property.
Huh? Aha! Tail tracks. Kit, Agnes had a rounded snout and dark scales, just like Jill said. I think we found our suspect.
You mean our first suspect. We need to consider all the facts.
I think it went like this. Agnes was out strolling through the swamp when something shiny caught her eye, the Mice Squad's van. She chomped the satellite clean off before she slipped away. The pieces all fit.
I'm not so sure, Sam. Scale color isn't the best way to identify gators. Plus, she said it was a crocodile.
Crocodiles, alligators, aren't they the same thing?
Nope. Gators have wide, round snouts, while croc snouts are pointier with more teeth showing. And this is the only part of the world where crocs and gators live side by side. We gotta investigate.
All right, let's talk to the croc.
There. He's a crocodile, all right. See how lots more of his teeth are showing? Excuse us. We're from Clade, and we need to ask you a few questions.
I heard you been looking for me. Come closer, I got a clue for you. Captain Conway's the name, and I'd stay back unless you want to get chopped. I got you again.
Now this must be our suspect. He's got a big toothy grin and light-colored scales, like Bill said.
But you just said that scale color doesn't matter.
I think it happened like this. Captain Conway here is pretty aggressive, so when he saw the van, he just started chomping and bit the satellite clean off. You have to admit, Sam, the animal facts all point to one suspect.
You're right. They all point to Agnes the alligator.
No, they point to Captain Conway the crocodile.
The Mice Squad are sending another message. New info. Hurry back to Vac.
They must mean van. Let's ride.
Pleasure talking to y'all. Ooh.
Check it out.
We were able to pick up a signal from our missing satellite. Now we can track it.
Really? How does that work?
Who cares? If we follow it, we can find the thief.
Yep. Signal's a bit spotty, though, and it's on the move.
Then we better hurry. Follow that signal.
Whoopsie! This way!
No, this way.
Huh?
Sorry!
I don't get it. Every time we follow the signal one way, it goes another. It's like it's in two places at once.
That's impossible. Unless... Whiskers, that's it. It's not one signal, it's two. But what does it mean?
Better split up and find out. Nice try. I'm right on your tail.
Huh? Where'd he go? All I see is a bunch of logs. That's no log, that's... Captain Conway the crocodile!
Agnes the alligator.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Hold up. What's that in your teeth?
This thing, it's been bugging me all day.
The Mice Squad satellite!
Where's the satellite, Conway?
No evidence, no crime.
The satellite. It was you. Also,
I have no idea how that got there.
Kid, I can't believe it, but my detective instincts were wrong. It was the crocodile.
But Sam, I think you were right all along. It was the alligator.
Huh?
All right, so we were both right. It must have happened like this.
They both chomped the van at the same time, and they both bit off a chunk of the satellite.
Actually, I chomped it first.
Only 'cause your big old tail was blocking my way. I thought I was chomping into something tasty, not something that'd get stuck in my teeth.
Or give me a bellyache.
That explains the two tail trails.
And why we both saw something different. Thanks, guys.
Another creature cave closed.
You guys sticking around? Captain Conway's gonna teach us how to play the spoons.
And Agnes here plays a mean jug.
We'd love to stay, but we've got some training to finish back home.